Hello everyone, and welcome to my Design with Canva series. In this series, I will be sharing tips on how you can make simple designs to give your business that professional look using Canva. Please like my videos and subscribe for more videos like this. Today, we will be looking at how to create a simple logo for your small business using canva.com. So after logging into Canva, click on Create a Design. Then click on Logo. Now that brings you to this screen where you have so many different templates that you can use to create your own logo, that you can modify to create your own logo. So let's say we decide to work with this template. So you can have the template, you can create your logo so that you have it on, you have one for if what you're placing it on is a white background, and you have another for if what you're placing it on is a dark background. So I'll be working with this template. I'm going to create a simple logo for DIY QuickBooks here. Now you can see that this is too large for what I want to use it for. I can always select the font and adjust the size from here. So let's make this a lot smaller. Let's try 104. So this is, now if this works for me, I could decide to use this. Or I could decide to put it, the way the initial template was. So I can modify my template really to suit my purpose till I find something, that appeals to me. Now this is a simple logo I've just designed for my DIY QuickBooks YouTube channel. This is the one for the white background, and this is the one for the black background. So that's a simple logo. Now we can download our logo by coming to Share. Use this share button at the top right corner and select download. If you want to share your logo with other people, you can do this. I have my logo. Let's also download the white background version. There you go, a simple logo created with Canva. Now there are different templates. You can pick any one and design your very simple logo for your small business. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to help reach others who may find my videos useful.